Today I decided to do a very short video to complement our blog entry that's titled "What is a facet joint?" and I figure out a short video is worth 1,000 words. So when it comes to the spine anatomy, the spinal disc is getting the lion's share of the attention. And I brought my old Oscar here, and so the disc is the structure that we see more so in the front of the vertebrae, and in this plastic model it's represented by this gummy structure between the two vertebrae, and obviously there are a lot of dysfunctions of the disc, from tears to herniations to bulges to deterioration that happen and that can cause a lot of problems. I wanted to show you where on the spine a facet joint is. That's another very important structure that can cause a lot of havoc. That's not as well understood by most people, but it should get a little bit of attention today. So the facet joint is a small cartilage joint that's located in the back, so it's actually closer to the surface of your spine than the disc. And on Oscar here, these little facet joints would be here in the lumbar spine. They're very small, but if I turn the spine, you'll see that it opens up. And there are, at each segment, there's one on the right and one on the left. One of the hallmark of the facet joints is that if you have continuous extension, overarching of the spine, they tend to be submitted to stress and deteriorate over time and create more pain. So very often we'll assess people's arches. We look at that when people are standing. We also look at that on the x-rays as well. So here it is. Here's where the facet joint is. Now you know where it is. And I also wanted to show you on this limited plastic spine, maybe a little bit closer, if the spongy structure here would be the disc that's in black. The facet joint are going to be those little structures in the back, which would be right here.